Alright, so for this last video, I thought I'd come out of hiding and show you my workspace and where I actually created this whole thing. So I'm just going to tilt a bit there. You can see that's my monitor that I created the whole thing on, as well as this is my office. Got my TV over there, and I'll just do a quick pan around. You can see the back. It's not much, just right in the front of the house. So I wanted to do a thank you video with me talking to you. Because I wanted to thank you. Thank you for purchasing the course. Thank you for going through it. And now, one thing I want to ask of you, if you have success, I want to hear about it. So send me an email, go into the Facebook group and post when you got your first sale, when you got your first test, when you got your first anything. I want to hear about it. And I want everybody else to hear about it as well. Okay? So successes are important, and we need to share it with as many people as we can. So that's all I'm going to ask of you after watching the whole course. And take action. So don't just buy this and then put it on the shelf and not do it, because there's so much that can be done and so much money to be made with this. We've got a whole system in place for you that works very, very well. Take advantage of it. Do it. Don't question, just do, okay? I do this every day in my own business, and it works very, very well. So I'm passing it on to you, because I want you to be able to succeed too, okay? You can see my shirt there. I made this shirt. Beer is much more than a breakfast drink. That's me. That's actually a Teespring shirt from back in the day. Anyway, enough of that. Go take action. Post your success stories. If you have something good that you want to share with everybody or with me, send me a testimonial. I love testimonials. Post them in the group. Post whatever you want. I love using those. They work really good on the sales page too. And it pumps everybody up. So go ahead and do that. Thank you. Have a great day.